Thanks, Annalisa. Well, Taiwan's economy is set to enjoy its biggest growth in 3 years, with authorities projecting GDP growth of 2.8% this year. It's a big change from last year's slow growth that saw private consumption fall below target to the lowest level in 4 years. But the island's booming tourism seems to be a bright spark for the retail sector. Channel NewsAsia's Taiwan correspondent Victoria Jen has more.
Colorful sweets from Europe and stylish winter jackets. They're among the hottest new items that Xinguang Mitsukoshi hopes will boost sales in 2014. And they really do need to boost sales, as Taiwan's biggest department store chain saw its revenue slipping by 0.5% to $2.5 billion last year. Taiwan's retail market has always been very competitive, and that competition becomes all the more keen when the island's private consumption hit a 4-year low. The department store says its sales would have contracted even more if it wasn't for big spending tourists from the other side of the Taiwan Straits.
中国旅客的这一块，其实占我们去年整个观光客大概有60%的一个比重，在退税的金额上面将近有60%的一个比重。那所以就是说，在整个它所触刷的一个就是销售的一个业绩上面，光中国旅客这一块大概将近在我们新天地就有60%的一个成长。精品还是占了大多数。那精品当中是以 Chanel 的精品是购买是最多的部分。那再接下来就是化妆品。
Electronics products like iPhone and iPad are also very popular among Chinese visitors. Prices here are cheaper by as much as 20% than those in China, boosting sales by 5% last year. The Chinese mainland is now the biggest source of visitors to the island. More than 2.6 million traveled to Taiwan last year, spending more than $4.5 billion.
那其实他过去在08年刚开始来台湾的时候，平均每日消费平均的就是每一个人平均大概一天消费是130块美金，现在大概接近170块美金哦。那这边 overall 来看的话，就增长大概是3成左右哦。那另外一个就是其实还是大饼变大了哦。他之前每一年来台湾的这个平均人数大概是0.3个 million， 然后大概就是30万人。那现在大概是200。 到12年为止，大概是260万哦，今年可能会增加，甚至有可能会过300万哦。
To leverage on the rising interest by mainlanders, Taiwan plans to allow more mainland visitors to the island this year, and the retail sector certainly stands to benefit. Xinguang Mitsukoshi, for one, is confident that it will see a 3% growth in this year's sales. Victoria Jen, Channel NewsAsia, Taipei.